1. Eat only whole nutritious food. What do you mean by whole foods? That means you can't eat food that has been processed multiple times. The less processed the food is, the higher the nutrition and the fewer the calories. Eating only whole foods means you can only eat oats and blueberries, not blueberry muffins. When you eat packaged foods, only buy foods that contain real food nutrients, ingredients that you can easily recognize. However, most foods nowadays are processed several times, and it is impossible to buy whole foods, so you have to do it yourself. 2. Simple diet. Healthy and delicious food should not contain a variety of seasonings. In cooking, seasoning should be as little as possible, so as to ensure that the protein and other nutrients in the food will not be lost. 3. Eat slowly. Food digestion has a complete chain, first of all, through the mouth-teeth chewing, chopping food, through saliva stirring, and then to the stomach enzymes, acids, and other substances, and then break up the food, so as to facilitate absorption. If you eat too fast without adequate chewing, directly into the stomach will increase the burden on the stomach. Eating too fast will cause 2 consequences. One is to lead to overeating, thus causing obesity. On the other hand, will lead to malnutrition. When eating, put the attention to the smell and sell the food, rather than their own knife and fork. 4. Eating regularly. Each meal should be separated by 4 hours. Timed eating can adjust your digestive system, blood circulation system, but also can lead the appetite for more. 5. Feel hungry to eat, full to stop. To get used to eating every day according to their stomach, hungry to eat, full to stop. Ensure that you can eat 3 meals a day, plus a little snack. 7 days weight loss recipe details. Monday. Breakfast, 1 hard-boiled egg, toast, grapefruit, and coffee. Lunch, 2 hard-boiled eggs, coffee, grapefruit. Dinner, steak, tomato-based cold salad, kimchi, coffee. Tuesday. Breakfast, 1 hard-boiled egg, grapefruit, coffee. Lunch, salad with greens, tomatoes, grapefruit, coffee. Dinner, 2 hard-boiled eggs, lamb, tomato-based green salad, kimchi, coffee. Wednesday. Breakfast, hard-boiled eggs, unlimited, toast, unlimited, grapefruit, coffee, no sugar milk. Lunch, hard-boiled eggs, toast, coffee. Dinner, hard-boiled eggs, green salad, kimchi, coffee. Thursday. Breakfast, 1 hard-boiled egg, grapefruit, coffee. Lunch, salad with greens, tomatoes, grapefruit, coffee. Dinner, 2 hard-boiled eggs, cheese, spinach, coffee. Friday. Breakfast, 1 hard-boiled egg, grapefruit, tomatoes, coffee. Lunch, 2 hard-boiled eggs, spinach, tomatoes, coffee. Dinner, sea fish, green salad, toast, coffee. Saturday. Breakfast, 1 hard-boiled egg, grapefruit, coffee. Lunch, fruit salad, 2 eggs. Dinner, beef steak, tomato-based green salad, coffee. Sunday. Breakfast, 1 hard-boiled egg, grapefruit, coffee. Lunch, roast chicken, tomatoes, grapefruit, coffee. Dinner, green vegetable soup, round cabbage, grapefruit, green salad with tomatoes.